So, paano nga ba maging confident without giving a shit about what other people say? Number one, stop thinking everyone is thinking about you. Isa sa mga rason kung bakit kadalasang nai-insecure ang tao is because she assumes people are always watching and judging her. But babe, hindi yan totoo. Lahat ng tao may sariling itsura, may sariling problema, may sariling buhay. So yung iniisip mo na nakakahiyang nasabi or nagawa mo, malamang nakalimutan na nila or baka nga hindi nila napansin yan. The moment you realize this is the moment you take your power back from these people. Number two, you should know what actually matters to you. Kung hindi malinaw sa'yo kung ano yung standards mo, pangarap mo, mga taong importante para sa'yo, that's when you dress for approval, speak for approval, and act for approval. At nakakaubos ng energy at confidence yan. Pero kung malinaw sa'yo kung anong gusto mo, what you stand for, at kung sino-sino ang mga taong importante para sa'yo, magiging madali na hindi na lang pansinin kung ano yung sinasabi ng iba. Number three, you should get used to discomfort. Ang confidence, isa yan sa mga katangian na lumalago outside of your comfort zone. For example, let's say you want to be a content creator, pero hindi mo magawang ma-upload yung first video mo kasi tingin mo malabo, awkward, nakakarindi yung boses, gaya ng sakin. Then you'll be stuck at wala talagang mangyayari sa'yo. Then if you do, that's when you will realize na nothing bad will happen. Hindi mo naman ikamamatay pag in-upload mo yung video mo na yan, no? In fact, it'll be one of the ways for you to train your brain na it's fine. It's actually safe to be seen ng mga tao kahit na hindi ka nga perfecto. Number four, focus on your life, not to the reactions to it. Ang natutunan ko sa talambuhay ko, confidence is not about not caring, but it's about caring more about your life than other people's opinion to it. Kaya so what if hindi ka perfect, and so what if may bashers or haters ka? That is normal, babe, because you are not meant to be liked by everyone. So what you do is you accept it. Focus on being real and letting the right people attract to you naturally. And that, my friend, is how you will become confident, unbothered, but still grounded.